Mm-hmm. Oh,
Good morning.
good morning. How are you?
Good.
Good. Glad to see you.
Glad to see you too.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sweetie.
Miss Webster, I can't hear anything.
I'm not saying
Yeah,
anything.
me neither.
I'm not saying anything. Do you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, because I wasn't saying anything. I was just waiting people to come in.
Miss Webster, I'm going to leave and join back because I can't hear anything.
Who was that? Zachariah?
I had to do my Zoom on my phone today because my sister's computer audio wasn't working.
Okay. So you can hear me, right? Okay. Is that Tamari?
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you, Janaya?
All right.
Good. We got about 3 more minutes, guys, before we get started.
Oh, Miss Webster.
Yes,
Can
Janaya.
can I show you my background?
Okay. What you got?
Gave up this one.
So you got a virtual background.
Yes.
That's
If you
SpongeBob.
watch, it was from SpongeBob, but it was an episode. So Patrick was supposed to be working at the Krusty Krab, and people called the phone and said it's just the Krusty Krab. And then Patrick got mad every time they said it's just the Krusty Krab because no, this is Patrick.
Goofy. We got about about 4 minutes. My computer time is always.
This is rejection.
This is gonna be a really quick and easy lesson for y'all.
Okay.
Naya,
All this week is a review.
Yes.
how do you do those backgrounds?
I take a picture, then add them to the virtual background.
I got the exact same thing.
You can swipe. Oh, use it. On
Anybody been outside this morning? Braylon? Nobody else has been outside today? It's warm. Really warm today.
me.
I haven't been outside yet.
You haven't?
I have. Tired.
Yeah, it gets warm out there today. The last 2 days it's been real nice and not humid, but now the humidity is starting to set in.
Probably turning into summer.
Yeah, this is June. You're right.
So,
Summer is what, June 20th or the 21st, somewhere in there? We still got people coming in. We got about 2 more minutes before we get started.
Miss Webster.
Mm-hmm. Hey, Mark, where you been?
This so weird.
This is the last live session. You know that? Tuesday is your last day of school. So Monday and Tuesday of next week, you'll see me and Miss Linden. But this is the last full week of instruction.
Okay.
The rest are gonna be pre-recorded.
Yes. Well, for me, for math, you know you have live with Miss Linden tomorrow.
I can't hear nothing.
Zachariah, do you have your audio on? Because I can hear you. It's something on your end. You have to turn your audio on.
The board. Whiteboard. What's called? How do you get
We got 1 more minute, then we'll start. Okay, it's 11:35. You guys take out your June 3rd, turn to your packet and go to June 3rd. It's gonna be quick and easy, y'all. Because again, we're getting near the end. And we've had graphs before. Just trying to move my screen, okay? Can you see my screen? Nod your head, yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. All right, so turn to the problem that looks like this. It's a table. And at the top of your paper, it should say June 3rd. Okay, the first problem is an I do. Hold on 1 second. Fix my screen.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and mute your computer if it's not muted. Please mute your computer.
Miss Webster, I don't have that page.
Okay, I can't see who I'm talking to. Hold on a sec. Who said that?
Me, Raymond?
Raymond, do you have your packet?
I do. I don't have the page though.
Okay, so when we get to problem, the you do is your Kahoots as well. So
Okay.
just follow along on my screen because I promise you this is really going to be painless.
All
It's going
right.
to be quick and easy. All right. All right. So here is the I do, and there's a table, and the table has temperatures on the left and frequencies on the right. Frequencies means how often it occurs. So something happens several times. So for example, the temperature of 88 degrees only occurred one time. The temperature of 89 degrees occurred 2 times. 90, 3 times. 91, 2 times. 92, 2 times. 93, 2 times. 94, 4 times. 95, 2 times. 96, 0 times. That means the temperature never got 96 on any of the days that they were charting here. 97, 2 times. Okay? It says, if the normal daily high temperature for July is 90 degrees, how many days was the high temperature less than normal? Okay, so I know normal is 90. My job is to figure out how many days was the high less than and less than 90 degrees. Okay, so make your paper look like mine. Less than 90 degrees is what we're looking for. Let me see who's working. None of y'all don't have your videos on. All right, so let's go to our table. We're looking for temperatures that are less than 90 degrees. So notice that they're in chronological order from 88 to 97. But I want to look for temperatures that are less than 90 degrees. So I'm going to look for these temperatures right here. There are 2 temperatures that are less than 90 degrees, 88 and 89. My question says how many days was the high temperature less than normal? Normal would be considered 90. So less than 90 is 88 and 89. Well, 88 was 1 day, and 89, it occurred 2 days. So I would add the 2 together. So my answer would be 1 plus 2 equals 3. Very simple. Now we're going to use the same chart to answer the next 2 questions. I told you this is going to be quick and easy. All right, everybody read the second question silently to yourself and go ahead and cube it. right, let's take a look. Why did I box in most frequent? And tell me what frequent means. Why did I box in most frequent? And tell me what frequent means. Madison.
Most frequent means the one before.
Remember, frequent means what? Think about what I said. Frequent. If you go to the restroom frequently, what does that mean?
Multiple times.
Yes, you go a lot, right? So it keeps happening, correct?
Yes.
All right, so let's go back. Okay, somebody's coming in unmuted. Make sure you're muted. All right, so most frequent daily high temperature recorded for the 20 days. Now, if I add up these numbers, they add up to 20. So that's 20 days of recording these temperatures over here. Which one occurred most frequently? Most frequently would be what? Ashton, what'd you come up with?
You say it again, or you broke up a little bit.
We're answering the question.
Oh, okay.
Question 2, which one occurred most frequently?
With the one that occurred.
Occurred most often. Looking at your numbers of frequencies over here, would you pick the highest number or the lowest number? See these numbers right here in the table?
Yes.
You with me, Ashton?
Yeah.
Okay, so you see these numbers in the table right here?
Most frequent.
Mm-hmm. Which number is higher?
90. I think 94 will be the most
94.
frequent.
Okay. 94 occurred how many times, Nehemiah?
4.
Nehemiah, how many times did 94 occur? I unmuted you. Go ahead. Well, you're not unmuted. Okay, now try it. I can't hear you. '94 occurred how many times, Akusa? Akusa? Can y'all hear me?
I can.
Okay, so 94
I
occurred.
can.
Okay, so 94 occurred 4 times. It occurred the most out of all of them. So for number 2, your answer is 94. All right, then you go, problem number 3 is, which is your you do. Using this same chart, this is what you would do on your own. And then this is what you would put in your Kahoots. It says, how many days was the temperature above 94 degrees? So above means what? Higher or lower? Thumbs up if you think higher, thumbs down if you think lower. Above means higher or lower. I don't see everybody's thumbs. Everybody's thumb should be up. So you're looking for temperatures that were higher. Go ahead and answer your last question. It's a you do. All right, and that's it. Y'all, you just gonna put that answer in your Kahoots. Any questions? I told you this was gonna be short and sweet today.
So that is the last 3 days of school. Our Zooms are getting slower. Not slower, but way faster.
What's your question, Jeremy?
Like we ended yesterday. Yesterday it was 4:30. We ended at like 10 minutes before 12.
Yesterday,
I'm like,
what?
yesterday we started like at 4. No, not at 4. Never mind. I'm just saying it's like is our Zoom code is we start at 12:30 and we end at 12:45. Is that how it's going now?
No, you start at 11:30. Your lives are at 11:30.
Okay. I feel
Yeah.
like it's going way
The
faster.
fourth grade is 11:30, math and reading.
Miss Webster,
Yes, Janaya.
when are you gonna start doing your videos on YouTube?
For this week. For the rest of the
Yeah.
week. Today.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll put them up today. I'll work on them today. So you'll have one for, what's today? Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So I'll see you again Monday live. Okay? Any other questions? Told y'all that was painless. Because we're doing something you've done before.